They call it news, knowledge, business information, wisdom, inspiration, but we call it smart, Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia.
Program ini, we can get your confident to speak English with us. And also tonight there are several friends from BPEC Makassar. Actually, 2 friends from BPEC Makassar. There are 2 boys here.
Hello guys.
We'll be with you during this airing program. There is Nawi. Hi Nawi.
Hello Kak.
And also, what's your name?
You forget me?
Oh my god.
It's been a long time. I'm Khairul.
Hi Hairul.
Yes.
How are you?
I'm good today.
Okay. Actually, your voice is I can't hear good enough. Your voice.
Check.
Nah, that's good.
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm good.
Good.
Yeah.
So, where are you coming from before you come to this studio?
Yes, I'm at home, so I started from home.
Mm-hmm. So, how about you, Nawi?
Yeah, I'm fine as usual actually.
Okay. Yes, thank you for coming, guys. And as usual, in this program, we are going to talk about something that related to your activity, your daily life, and also ours. But before we tell you what is our topic tonight. Nah, because the program is in collaboration with BPEC Makassar. Please Nawi or Hairul introduce BPEC Makassar to smart listener.
Okay, maybe me. Well, guys, so we are coming from BPEC Makassar. So basically, BPEC is abbreviation of Benteng Panua English Club, and in this club, we learn and we study about anything related on English itself. And then, we have several methods in improving our English skill. Start from English discussion and also through teaching method like learning grammar or maybe tenses, or maybe we can learn about pronunciation and etc. And then for those who want to join with BPEC, feel free to join with us because our program is totally free of charge and anyone can join with us. And during Corona outbreak, we didn't conduct like offline meetings, so we changed it through online meeting. We use Google Meet as media to make virtual meetings. So for more information, you can contact us in our Instagram at BPEC Makassar, and also you can chat us in our Facebook or WhatsApp. Thank you.
All right. Thank you, Nahui.
Yes, you're welcome.
That's all about BPEC Makassar. So you can join them, smart listener, on their weekly meeting virtually.
Yeah, virtually.
Now, okay, every Sunday. And also tonight we are going to discuss about something that always related to our life, especially our lifestyle. Every single person has their own routine, their own habit every day, and their own lifestyle. So how about you? Especially in this pandemic era, this new normal. I'm sure that there are many or several habits that change you, or something that you never do before, and this new normal era, you have to do that. So our topic tonight is new normal, new lifestyle. So from Hairul, I will start with Hairul. What is your habit or daily activity or something that you never forget or you never skip to do every day in the pandemic or even before pandemic?
Okay, so before the pandemic happened, I started to list everything I will do in a day. And I promised to myself that I want to run or jogging in a full year, in a full calendar year of 2020. But the pandemic happened in March or April, so I stopped run because the public place is closed for public, and we are not allowed to leave home. So I started to work out at home, starting to watching YouTube and also watching any workout videos that actually I can do in my home. So that's my new lifestyle. And also before the pandemic happened, I always not really check my Instagram and also all my social media because we are really busy with our activity. But now we don't have any activity to do. So now I'm checking my phone every single hours. Every single hours I check my Instagram. I'm checking my WhatsApp. Just to know what people do in this new era.
All right. So a new thing that you always do in this new normal era is checking the social media
Yeah.
platform all the time.
All the time.
And you do
It's
work
so
out
often,
also.
Yeah. I do workout every morning.
Okay. How long do you do your workout every day?
It takes only 10 minutes actually, but it's only a body weight exercise like.
Is it works?
Of course, because it gives me a lot of pumps and also it sweats me a lot. And yeah, it takes only 10 minutes. I do push up, planks, and also a lot,
Okay.
but not sit up. It's so difficult.
How many weight that you have lost?
What?
Berat badan. Your weight that lost.
I never lost any weight actually. But I control my weight. It's always 58 kilograms.
Okay, so you always do workout for your endurance,
Yeah.
right? Okay, so how about you, Nahui?
All right. So usually, my activities before pandemic attack every country in the world. Basically, I always looking for place for studying new thing. For example, like a lot of communities, because in Makassar itself there are a lot of communities that provide us a lot of knowledge. But during pandemic attack, like our brother said before, maybe between April or March, it's totally hard to go out because the government apply a big social distancing where the people difficult to go out itself. And then in pandemic situation, I try to increase my knowledge, such as watching YouTube or looking some article to read in Google Chrome and etc. And yeah, there were several things that change in my daily routine. For example, if I always go out, it's a must for me to bring like a mask and also plastic glove, and etc. So to keep our body safe from virus itself.
Okay,
and
protection
also protection kit.
stuff,
Yeah,
protection kit,
Yeah,
protection
Yes.
stuff.
I think that's all that changed my life.
Okay, that's the new thing that you
Yeah,
do in
new
this new
thing.
normal, right? Okay, smart listener, how about you? What is the new lifestyle that you are doing in this new normal era? Just share to us. Do not hesitate to text us on WhatsApp 0811461011, and also you can write down your comment on our live streaming on YouTube channel Smart FM Makassar. Still with us, Rifa Majid, Nahui, and also Herul. With you, smart listener, we talk about new normal, new lifestyle. There are several things or lifestyle that change during this pandemic era or this new normal. But before, I want to ask you guys, I want to know how what is your daily routine that like something that you always do since morning until afternoon and also night, maybe that you never skip to do that.
Okay.
So, but before that, I want to invite you, smart listener, to join with us on WhatsApp 0811461011. Just tell us about your story and about your daily routine in this new normal lifestyle. Nahui.
Okay, so talking about daily routine, yeah, we are totally sure that every person has their own daily routine. But for me, my daily routine since morning until maybe night itself until afternoon. In the morning, I woke up around 5 o'clock and then I do pray subuh, and after that I back to sleep again. I having a rest for a while and then wake up again at around at 8 o'clock, and then I try to do something positive such as reading book or maybe watching TV or watching YouTube and etc. And then this activity I never skip this activity actually. And then after that, I'm having a brunch at 10 o'clock. And after that, I try to do something that entertain myself, such as playing a game or watching a movie and etc. And then in the afternoon at 12 o'clock, I prepare myself to do or pray. And then in the night usually I study back. I try to review something that I have learned before, and then try to entertain again myself, and then having a rest at night at 11 o'clock.
Okay, you take a rest and you are going to bed at 11 o'clock.
11 o'clock.
Every day?
Every
Do
day.
you,
Almost every day.
Almost every day at 11 o'clock.
11.
So how about you? Do you also take a bed or going to bed at the same time? Right now after
No.
doing all the activity in the day.
It's so difficult to go to bed in the same time every day.
Yes,
Like
we cannot predict.
Yeah, we cannot predict that we
What is
are
our
getting
business?
tired or
Yes.
we are going to sleep. So yeah, I always go to bed around 12 or 1 a.m. because that's I always check my Instagram and also watching YouTube. But the thing that I never skip every day is playing games.
Oh, what kind of games actually that you mean?
A tactical game like Football Manager.
Tactical game. If you play a game.
I can play that game for 6 hours.
What?
Yeah.
My God, 6 hours.
Like
long time.
A gamer.
Like right after I woke up, and I usually set up my radio as well to listen every morning, and also I play that game till afternoon, and afternoon I continue that game till night. So the thing that I never skip is playing that game. So I can. That's really helpful actually to understand tactical, to understand football. To understand football, the whole football.
Okay.
So that's the thing that I never skip
Every day.
every day.
Playing games.
Playing games.
But how about your morning routine? Like every morning, you never skip to do that, except
Morning routine.
workout.
Okay. Except workout. Okay. I always drink tea. Tea, listening to radio, and also, yeah, that's it. That's
Okay.
the two things that I never skip. Listen to
Okay.
radio and also drink a tea.
Okay, we are the same. I always listen to the radio in the morning until around 10 o'clock
Yeah.
every day.
That's good to get
But I always
insight.
skip my breakfast. I always skip my breakfast. I don't know.
Because you are
always-
busy.
No, because I just lazy to have a breakfast. I just have my brunch every day.
Okay.
So I have my meal on 10 o'clock, maybe.
So what kind of that meal?
The heavy meal actually, like rice and
okay.
vegetables and etc.
Okay.
But guys, talk about the night routine like you do, your sleep time every day. We cannot predict, right?
Yeah.
Oh.
we
The
cannot predict.
time
of
that
course.
we have to take rest every day. Sometimes we have list. We have put our time on the schedule. Like I have to sleep around 10 o'clock every day. But
It's impossible.
Impossible.
but we always miss that time. You know, do you feel like what I feel too?
yeah.
Now
Okay, I myself, we cannot predict what time that we are going to sleep because it's dependable, I think. Because if we have maybe more activities in the night, it's really impossible for us to sleep around 10 or maybe 11 o'clock, like I said before. So maybe it takes more time to do our activities that sudden activities, so that it's quite hard for us to sleep maybe around 10 or maybe 11 o'clock. And I myself usually face like a sudden activities where I cannot sleep as usual, like I said before, at 11 o'clock. So if I have a sudden activities, maybe I will sleep around maybe 2 p.m. 2 a.m. I mean 2 a.m. and around 2 or 3 a.m. Yeah.
So you
it's
you're
if I
become stay up all night.
Oh yeah,
at night.
for sure.
Yes,
Yeah.
I agree. Sudden activity or sudden activity sometimes makes us to have to stay up
Yeah, of
at
course.
night. Sometimes we feel so sleepy, but we have we
We have to complete it.
we have to
have the
complete our
deadline.
duty maybe, or we have to join the webinars maybe in the
Yes.
night until 12 o'clock. So that's all the stuff that happened
Yeah.
for me. That's caused us to sleep late night in the late night. You understand what I mean?
I got it.
How about you, Hairul?
Yeah, the only thing that makes us sleep earlier is exercise actually. Exercise in the afternoon,
Oh.
like a light running, and also a simple workout that makes you feel tired in the night, so you can go sleep earlier, to go to bed earlier. So but now in the new normal, I can't go out. Actually, we can, but my friend my friend that I always go with to the field is going hometown. So they are not in Makassar anymore. So I'm alone. I don't want to be alone in the field. So that's
Why?
yeah, it's weird.
Okay.
Exercise
So,
or
if we want to take a sleep, if we want to sleep early, we have to tired before.
tired. Yeah.
We have to do exercise or workout in the
workout,
night.
or-
Is that good?
Yeah, of course, that's good. Or you can make
We do workout and exercise in the night.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Can you see the people playing football in the night, playing futsal?
Mm-mm.
Yeah, and people love to do workout in the night because that makes them feel tired, so they can go bed earlier.
Okay, so when we go back to home, when we go back home, and
we are tired.
We feel so tired, and then we go to sleep. Right? Okay.
All right, guys. So we have talked a lot about new normal, new lifestyle, and then at the previous time, we talk about a routine that we do before we sleep, and then I'd like to ask an interesting question, Mr. Hairul. So before you sleep, what kind of activities that you do at the moment?
Every night.
Yeah, every night.
Every night. Like I said before, I play Football Manager and also drink tea.
Oh, drink tea. Oh, before sleep, drink
Before
tea.
sleep, I drink tea. That's bad actually because tea contain a caffeine, so that makes you cannot sleep. Yeah, we cannot sleep because caffeine that contains in a tea. So I always check social media as well, scrolling up, scrolling down, that we never feel the time, and also that makes us insomnia.
Yes, scrolling down the timelines of your
100 times.
social
It's
media.
entertaining, actually.
Of course.
Yes, entertaining, and you forget to sleep.
Oh yeah. So in your based on your experience, maybe. So did you have like some problems that make you hard to sleep?
Yeah,
What is that actually?
like before we conducting a big event, like you are in the part of that event that actually it's a really big thing that you want to do tomorrow, that makes you stay up in the night.
Okay.
So the preparation, the thing that you want to complete, and like examination day, of course.
Yeah.
That makes you stay up actually.
Okay. You mentioned at the previous time about insomnia. Sometimes did you feel like insomnia? It's hard for you to sleep, even though you have done a lot of activities such as playing game or maybe finishing your assignment and etc. Did you feel sometimes insomnia?
Yeah, sometimes I feel it. Because actually insomnia happen because you are taking sleep in the afternoon, and you are taking a sleep too long. Because if you sleep more than 2 hours in the afternoon, then in the night you will get to insomnia.
Okay.
Your lack of sleep, and you're not feeling tired enough to go to bed. So that's the thing that happened actually.
Okay, so basically insomnia happen because we take sleep more
We take
in
sleep
the morning.
earlier actually. You sleep earlier
Uh-huh.
before the time,
And
before
then
the night.
it's hard for me to make ourselves tired in the night because
Yeah.
we have taken it
Because-
in the
you have
morning
taken it.
itself.
What
Okay.
about you?
Okay, I myself, sometimes I felt insomnia because of, like you said before, I prefer to take more time to sleep in the afternoon or maybe in the morning, and then in the night it's totally hard for me to
Fall asleep.
to sleep. But one thing that I get if I active at night, it's how to say, it's really easy for us to have our focus in the night because
it's
if you
quiet.
want to, it's quiet. There's nothing that interrupt us.
Yeah.
For example, like our little brother always interrupt us when we want to study and etc. So for me, if I in my perspective, if we active at night, it makes us more focused than before.
But don't you know that staying up it's good for your body? Because in the night the body of the human nature is that naturally they process chemically of your food, the food that you eat, the drinks, so that the process is on progress in the night.
Okay.
But if staying
Basically,
up,
I didn't know about it. So,
Yeah.
what do in your perspective, if we are having our sleep in the night, is it? Did you feel something wrong with yourself if you always stay up at night?
Yeah, I always feel like what is my activity? What was my activity today? Because I cannot sleep. So in the next morning, I try to take myself to get more tired, to get more exercise, to play games a little bit. Yeah, just to make myself tired.
Okay, you mentioned before about exercise and also workout. As we know that there were several activities in new normal itself. So yeah, in your based on your experience during quarantine or during corona outbreak, so what the things that you did at the moment?
I used to cycling with my
Oh,
friends
cycling.
before the pandemic happened in 2019. I'd always go to CPI.
Okay.
I always cycling around Makassar. But now in the pandemic era, in the COVID-19 happened. I don't know why people go outside and cycling in the pandemic when the pandemic happened.
Yeah.
That's weird actually to see
Okay.
people like, I don't know, they just following the trend. But that's positive actually. Cycling.
Okay. Okay, talk about the positive trend also in this new normal. There are several positive trends that happen, and also the people always do that. Like because of this new normal or this pandemic, the people always cook their own food in the house,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
And also like consume many vegetables, fruits, and also healthy food,
Okay.
right?
Yeah,
Stay
it's
away.
totally important because it's to support our body, our health. Because yeah, right now it's totally dangerous for us if we didn't care about our body and yeah, our health itself. So we have to consume more vegetable or maybe vitamins.
So, are you one of the people that always consume the vegetables or even the fruits that always you have you never skip to consume that?
Okay, what about you, Mr. Hyber?
Me, I myself not really like vegetables because I don't know, it's not really tasty to my tongue. And yeah, people really love junk food actually.
But
Like fried chicken, but now the government push us to consume healthy food, vegetable, fruits. But fruits, I eat a lot. Fruits, banana, watermelon, and etc. What about you?
I myself, yeah. I just talking about consuming something that support our body. I myself think that it's dependable for me because yeah, looking the situation right now, the price of the
Depend on the
fruit.
money,
Oh yeah, of course, it depends on the money because yeah, the stuff of vitamins and also not vegetable, but fruit. Some fruits, the price is getting higher
Yeah.
during the corona outbreak. So I tried to make it balanced by doing like exercise or eating something that maybe the price is suitable for my pocket, but the benefit is really high, such as consuming vegetables that made by mom and also carrot and etc. Okay, I think that's all.
And now we are in the last session of our English learning program. So, what is the conclusion of our topic tonight, Nahwi and also Herul, from your long conversation about new normal and new lifestyle? I know the people always change.
Yeah.
The time also always change.
Yes.
Yeah.
Many things that change us. Like this new normal era, right?
Yeah. So I myself, to conclude our discussion tonight, after we have talked a lot about new normal and also new lifestyle, to sum up, based on Kak Rifah said before that, we cannot deny that every single thing must have a change. So it's totally hard for me, for us to avoid that things. And then as a human being, the things that we really need to do is to adapt with every single new situation. So we have to make ourselves suitable with every single things, especially for the new situation itself.
Adaptive skill,
yes.
right? Okay.
What about you, Mr. Hairul?
Yeah, of course. People change by seconds. Even you or me or Miss Lifa. And we change every day, every month, every year. We have a new resolution, but that's only lasts for 2 months, 3 months,
of course.
and disappear. So in the new normal era, we change our habits, such as to be more productive in exercising and taking more sweats, and also eating healthy food. That's our new lifestyle in the new normal.
Through the good lifestyle,
Good
new and
habit.
good habit.
Yeah.
New lifestyle. Okay, as usual, in the end of the program, we always share the vocabularies and also idioms that you can use on your daily conversation, smart listener. So please, Nahwi and Hairul,
Okay, maybe
what
start
kind of
from me.
vocabularies?
I prefer to share maybe some idioms. So I have two idioms in here. First is hit the sack. Hit the sack meaning that if you plan to go to sleep, for example, I'm going to hit the sack. Jadi hit the sack itu artinya ingin pergi tidur. And then the second is puzzle over. Puzzle over meaning that you express yourself that you are really confused with something. Jadi puzzle over itu kayak mengekspresikan kebingungan terhadap sesuatu. Puzzle over.
Okay,
So maybe that's all.
we can change the confused word into the puzzle over.
Yeah, puzzle over. For example, I'm puzzling over about this thing.
That's the confused, high level of confused maybe.
Yeah, of course.
Puzzle over.
Puzzle over.
I am puzzled over the exercise, the assignment maybe.
Okay, yeah, you can.
Oh, okay.
So what about you, Mr. Khairul?
I only have one vocab to
what is that?
share, like deprivation.
Deprivation.
Deprivation means a lack of sleep,
Lack of sleep.
or in other words, we could say insomnia.
Oh, deprivation.
Deprivation.
Stay up also.
Stay up late.
Talk at night. Talk at night or
Talk at
stay
night,
up.
yeah.
That mean begadang.
Begadang, yeah.
Begadang jangan. So
night.
do not talk at night.
Yeah.
Or do not stay up night.
That's
Okay.
useless.
That's useless. It can be, but if you have the benefit one.
Don't be nocturnal.
Oh,
The what? Nocturnal?
okay. All right. Thank you so much, Nahwi, and also thank you so much for Hairul.
Yeah, thank you.
thank you.
For accompanying me during this Smart Up Your Life. And
Yeah.
we'll see you again next week.
Yes.
And also, thank you so much for you, smart listener. We'll see you again next week. Rifa Majid signing out. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, guys.